Impossible event. If the subset of a sample space is phi, then this event is called impossible event. Suppose, for example, on throwing a die, getting a number greater than 6 is impossible event. Because getting a number greater than 6 is not possible on throwing a dice. Sure event. Let S be the sample space of an event and S is also a subset of S. Then S denotes the sure event. Sure event example, on throwing a die, getting a number less than 7 is sure event. Getting a number less than 7 means E is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is equal to sample space, and getting a number greater than 6 means E is equal to empty set, means E is equal to 5. Mutually exclusive event. Two events are said to be mutually exclusive if they cannot happen together. Means, example, on throwing a dice, suppose A is a event getting an odd number, and B is a event getting an even number. Then A is the sample space for A is 1, 3, 5, and the sample space for B is 2, 4, 6, and these two events are mutually exclusive because these events cannot happen together, and the intersection of two mutually exclusive events is always equal to 5. Means these two events are disjoint event. Means two events are said to be mutually exclusive event if one event prohibits the occurrence of second events. Exhaustive events. In a random experiment, the set of events is called exhaustive events if in each experiment any one of them happens. Means the intersection of the union of exhaustive event is always equal to sample space. Two or more event. Suppose example, on throwing, on flipping a coin 3 times, suppose A is a event getting exactly 1 head, B is an event at least 2 head, and C is an event getting 3 tail. Means getting 3 tail, which is TTT, at least 2 head means HHT, HST, H T H, THH, and HHH, at least 2 head, exactly 1 head means TTH, THT, and STT. The sample space of these 3 events are ABC are these, and if we find the sample, the union of these sample space, we get HHH, HHT, STH, THH, TTH, THT, STT, and TTT, which is equal to sample space. Then if the union of 2 or more events is equal to sample space of this event, then these events called exhaustive event. Equally likely events, if the possibility of happening of an event cannot be associated with the possibility of happening of other event, then these events called equally likely events. In simple language, if the happening of both events are equal, means getting an even number, on throwing a dice, getting an even number and getting an odd number are equally likely events. Probability of an event, let S be the sample space and E denotes any event, then probability of happening of event E is given by PE equal probability of E, number of element in event E upon number of element in sample space, where any equal favorable number of outcomes. And NS equal total number of outcomes. Also, probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1, and the sum of happening of an event and not happening of an event is equal to 1, means probability of an event always lies between 1 and 0. The happening of an event means probability of happening of an event, or probability and not happening of an event is always equal to 1. If the probability of an event is equal to 0, then it is impossible event. If the probability of an event is equal 1, then it is sure event.